Hey everyone, check out this big block 396 1969 Camaro, finished in its an original lemans blue color. Snap, crackle, pop, baby. What do you think? Here we got the big block 396, mild cam, hooker headers. You got the Weiland Stealth aluminum intake, chrome valve covers, 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor, electric choke setup for easy start, roller rockers, 10.5-1 compression from pump gas, power steering, chrome booster with the chrome master cylinder on the disc brakes in the front. Enduro bumper has been painted, as you can see. All the hinges are done in argent. If you don't know why am I pointing out the argent on the hinges and the latch and clamp, that's because whoever restored this car knew that this was the original color that these parts came in. Look at this core support. Look how nice this thing is. Okay, under the hood's been painted as well in its factory lemans blue color. Black stripes have also been added and painted. It sits on the Firehawk tires along with the factory appearance rally wheels, guys. Dual side sport mirrors. Paint is really nice on the car, just completed in 2024. Trunk looks brand new, all restored. I believe both quarters on this car have been replaced. They did a really nice job. As you can see, the gaps here on the door look really good. They align very straight as well. Beautiful shine, beautiful finish, guys. You just heard the thing run. It's a beast with a mild cam. Look at these door lips. This is original, all original welds. Door panels look great. Inner and outer door jambs are crisp and clean on both sides. Okay, as you can see there. Weather stripping around the car seems to be all original. Glass, chrome look very good on the car. Underneath is clean as well. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive transmission. Beautiful. Upgraded radio, dual gauge added, factory console with the staple shifter, nice black interior. What do you guys think? Thumbs up. Hard to find these colors, these original colors that have been redone, especially in lemans blue. MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street here in Addison, Illinois. We got 2 showrooms full of cars ready for your viewing. You guys can check that out at mgmclassiccars.com. So let's go over a couple things on the Camaro. I know the headlights do function, okay? So all the windows roll up and down, no problem on the vehicle. All right. Both gauges there do function. The radio does work. Like I did say, the headlights do function. Wipers are inoperable. We'll check under the hood in a minute. Horn works. Left turn signal and right turn signal. Car does have a high-performance electric fuel pump as well. Let me check under the hood on that wiper motor real quick. Give me 1 second. So the wiper motor's in place here. I see that's connected. Not quite sure what's going on there. If it's an easy fix, I'm sure it is. You guys can look into it. I am selling the car in as-is condition, described as is. So if you're interested in financing the car, you will need 10% down. If your credit score is around 650 to 799, right around there, you will need about $6,000 down on this gorgeous Camaro to get it financed. As far as the term and condition, the length of the loan is tailored around your credit score. It's tailored around your income and your debt to make sure that the payment is comfortable. Okay, for those of you who have an 800 plus credit score, I have a no money down option. Rates do start at 6.94% and go up from there. It all depends on your credit profile. For those of you who do not need financing and just want to do a bank wire and have this thing shipped to you, not a problem. Either way, text me for delivery or any questions, okay? For delivery, text me your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850, and I'll get you back a quote. Once again, thank you for watching MGM Classic Cars. My name's Thomas. Have a great day.